So this is my first question, exercise 7C. In this question, they are saying a cyclist set out at 900 hours for a destination of 40 kilometers away. He cycled at a constant speed of 15 kilometers until 1030 until 10:30. Then he rested for half an hour before completing his journey at a constant speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Draw the distance time graph to represent the journey. Hence, find the time at which the cyclist reached his destination, giving your answer to the nearest minute. Okay, so this is the question which we are going to do over here. Over here, I'm going to draw my graph. Okay, and as they have given us that in the question that the cyclist has to cover a total destination of 40 kilometers. Okay, so I'm going to make a destination distance time graph of 40 kilometers over here, and then we will do the discussion that how we are going to work on that thing. Okay, so now we have to have this thing. This is I have made over here. First of all, they are saying that it is going to start in the question. They have written that it is going to start moving from 0900. So this time over here will be 0900, which I have taken over here. Okay, this is my 0900 over here. Now after that, what I'm going to have over here, now I'm leaving two boxes over here, right? And before that, 1 minute, just let me move it a little bit over here. This is my 0900. Okay, next one I'm taking, it's a very small time slot is given, so I'm taking a difference of 30 minutes. Okay, if time slot will be very high, then I will be taking a difference of 1 hour, but right now I'm taking a difference of 30 minutes. Okay, so this spot is my 0900. This spot is my 930. Now moving ahead, so over here this spot will be of 10, right? This one will be my 10. I'm plotting it over here. After that, this will I will taking as 10:30, then 11, 11:30, and 12. So hopefully in this one, all my graph will be fitting. If not, then I can use the other ones also. So this over here will be my 10:30, which is completely over here. This is my 10:30 point. Next one over here, it will be 11. Okay, this will be precise 11 over here. After this one will be my 11:30. This is 11:30, and the last one will be 12, which I have got at the last. Okay, this will be my 12. Now they have told us to make a distance time graph. Right now what I'm making over here, I'm making a distance time graph. This is my distance time graph. Okay, I have mentioned it over here. Now they have said that the cyclist has set for 40 kilometers away the town where he is going 40 kilometers away. So what I'm going to do over here, I am using 1 centimeter graph, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to use a 1 centimeter graph over here. Okay. Now on for distance, I'm taking for each 2 centimeter, I'm going to take them equals to 10 kilometer over here. Okay, I'm going to take it as 10 kilometer over here. 10, then 20. This is going to be 20. Next one over here will be my 30. And last one will be 40, where I have to reach. Okay, so I am going to draw another line over here. So I will be very clear that where I have to reach. So I'm making this line. Okay, this is the line where I have to reach over here till now. Now, in the first place, they are saying that the cyclist leave at 900 hours. So cyclist is leaving from this point. Okay. He cycled at a constant speed of 15 kilometer per hour until 10:30. So what we are seeing over here, that speed was given. What was the speed given to us? Speed was given as 15 kilometer per hour. Okay, and the time which was being taken was from 9 to 10:30, means it is 1.5 hours time was taken, and I have to see that how much distance was being covered in that time. How much distance was being covered in that time. This is right now I'm going to try to find out over here. Now, know that a speed equals to distance upon time, and over here I have to find distance. So what will I do? I will write speed equals to speed multiplied by time equals to distance. So what is the speed given to me? Speed is given 15 kilometer per hour. Time is given 1.5, and I have to find distance. So at the end, it will be 2.5 kilometer. Distance is being covered over here. The distance which is being covered is 22.5 over here. Okay, so now I have to plot this 22.5 over here on the graph. So how will I do the plotting? First of all, add 10, 30. It means I have to be, the time will be this one. This will be the time which I am going to plot over here, or which I am going to use over here. 10:30. Okay, so I have drawn a line from 10:30 just to show you. Okay, now when they are saying the wording of 22.5, so 22.5, as you can see over here on y-axis, there are difference of 10 unit between two given values. Like from 10 to 20, it is difference of 10 unit. From 20 to 30, again it's a difference of 10 unit. 30 to 40, again a difference of 10 unit. Okay, and between each 10 unit, I have got a small box of 10 small boxes are there. It means each one box is representing 1 unit on y-axis. They are saying 22.5, so 22.5 will be somewhere over here in the center, and I have connected it, and it is coming at this point. It means when I'm going to, the bodies started moving, it has stopped at till this point, the body was moving at a speed of 15 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now I'm removing this one and I have removed this part till now. After that, they are saying then he rested for half an hour before completing his journey. So now the person, the body, the cyclist, now that person has rested for 30 minutes. So right now we are at 10:30. When we are going to wait for 30 minutes, it means that that person is till 11, that person is in a still position, and we are having a distance time graph. And distance time graph, still position means horizontal straight line. So this will be your line till 10:30, 11, till 11. This will be your line over here. Going for the next part of the question, they are saying the person has completing his journey at a speed of constant speed of 20 kilometer per hour. Okay. So right now, how much is the distance left? First of all, I have to calculate that. Okay. How will I do the calculation? The total distance was 40 kilometer, out of which 22.5 kilometer was covered by the cyclist. Okay. Out of 45, 22.5 was covered by the cyclist. So it means now 17.5 kilometer distances left to be covered. Now, for this 17.5 kilometer, the speed was given as 20 kilometer per hour. Okay. So now I have to check that in how much time the body was going to cover the whole complete distance. I'm going to use this formula, S equals to D over T. I have to use this formula, but over here they are asking for time. Over here they are asking for time. So it means the formula which is going to be used, the formula will be T equals to distance upon T equals to distance upon speed. Okay, T equals to distance upon speed. Now, what will I do? I have to find time. So T equals to distance. What is distance left over here? 17.5 divided by 20. So when I will divide it by 20, the result is going to be, time will be coming 0.875 hours. Now it will be very difficult for me to put it in hours. So what I am going to do over here, I am going to take 0.875 and I will multiply it by 60. When I will multiply it by 60, what will happen? My whole time, which is right now in hours, will convert into minutes, and then it will be much easier for me to apply it over here. Okay. Right. So right now we are at 11:30. Okay. And after 11:30, this is my 11:30, which is I'm showing over here. Sorry, 11, at 11, we are standing over here. Okay. Now, in 52.5 minutes, which I have written over here, in 52.5 minutes, the body has reached the destination. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to do the calculation that where will my 52.5 will be. Now, as you can see over here, from 11 to 11:30, in between there are 10 boxes. 11 to 11:30 means a difference of 30 minutes from this point to this point, a difference of 30 minutes from this point to this point, a difference of 30 minutes from this point to this point, and in between these two, there are 10 boxes. So it means that what I'm having over here, I'm having 30-minute time, which is shown by 10 boxes. It means that I'm going to have a 3 minute per unit or 3 minute per small box. This is I have got right now. Okay, so now I have to cover this 52.5 minutes. I have to cover this 52.5 minutes. So how will I cover it? From 11 till 11:30. Sorry, from 11 till 11:30, it is 30 minutes. Then this will be this point, which I have got over here. This point will be 11:45. And I have to go till 11:52. So what will I do? 11:45, one small box, 11:48, one more small box, 11:51, and then half of this box, and then half of this box where I'm putting my mark. Okay, the small dot you can see over here, this small dot is basically right now representing 52.5. Starting from here, 11 to 11:30, 5 more boxes means 11:45. Then one small box 11:48, another small box 11:51, and then 1.5 is left, so I have taken half of it. So now from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a straight line till the 40 kilometer on the top, till the 40 kilometer on the top. Okay, so this is the time at which my body is going to reach the destination. Okay, starting from here and ending at this point, right? And then erasing all the extra lines which are there. So this is your distance time graph for the given question which was needed. The B part of the question, they are asking that at how much time, at what time the cyclist reach his destination, giving your answer to nearest minute. Okay, giving your answer to nearest minute. So when I have calculated it, it was coming at 11.52 minutes. Okay, but they are saying that I have to give it to nearest one. So what I'm going to do, 11.52.5 minutes was the result which I was getting, but they have said to the nearest minute. So I'm going to take it as what? I'm going to take it as 11:53 minutes. Okay. So 53 is the minutes, 11 is the hour. So it means the cyclist has reached on 11:53 at his destination.